Alright guys, I'm at the Zoom video meeting for that. So we're making Ched-Moz Macaroni and Cheese. And I got two angles of those ones with my smartphone and my laptop. So how you guys been? So are you ready?
We are.
Alright, let's do it. Alright, I already preheated the oven for 400 degrees. Make sure it's oven is preheated 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And we have the water has been on high on the pot. And then we go to, you can see the water is almost ready to boil. Alright, so the water is boiling. We're going to salt into this water. Make sure to salt the water. Alright, so you can see the salted water. I'm just going to put 2 4 cups of elbow macaroni. You're going to cook this according to direction on the back of the box until it's al dente. Making sure to stir it occasionally to uncover it. Alright, are you ready guys? So, into this medium high, I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Then put, there we go, 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Medium high heat. Actually it's medium heat.
It's burning. The butter is burning.
Oh, butter's burning? Just use medium heat. Just melt the butter. Oh, real quick. Oh, there we are. So I'm going to switch to the whisk from the wooden spoon. And then I'm going to sprinkle a 4th cup of all-purpose flour. All-purpose flour, like I said before. Stick in the flour. And then just give this to a whisk until you get a nice roux paste. I can see that. Looking great one. Alright, I'm putting 2 3/4 cups of whole milk. See, because I don't want to burn that anyway. I'm just going to turn this to transfer on high until you get it thickens together. As you can see, the milk is almost getting thickened together, and you may know that. You can see I almost got burns around. Anyway, so I'm going to put some shredded or diced cheddar cheese. That'll be 2 cups. And then I'm going to put some fresh mozzarella cheese. So let's put some sharp cheddar cheese first.
This looks good.
It does.
Okay. So once it's all mixed in, then I'm going to put in
Oh yeah, don't forget 8 ounces of fresh mozzarella cheese. Oh, and then we're going to sprinkle in some 4 to 1/2 teaspoons of salt, ground black pepper according to taste, and we're going to put 1/2 teaspoons of garlic powder. And then we're going to give this to a stir until the cheese will melt.
Did you say something about breadcrumbs?
Yes, Kyle wants us to put breadcrumbs on top.
So just sprinkle it across the top?
Yes, and more cheese. Okay?
Alright, so the cheese is already melted into the
I
hot
would
milk.
use a little bit cold
And you
milk
can see it's
and
got
then put it in the oven.
Before
almost got soaking together.
Bake it,
But
yeah.
anyway, let's go to it. Add that to the pasta. It has been already drained.
It looks beautiful. Very excited. Yeah, it's a very pretty dish.
You can smell the garlic and those cheese.
And when we do put it in the oven, it's 10 or 15 minutes?
20 minutes.
You didn't add cheese, right? On top. Did you add cheese on top? So yours can be ready in like 10 minutes.
Okay. No, it's very cheesy. I've been eating the cheese as I go. It's
That's good. I love
going to give me enough of a heart attack.
We're going to put it into a 9 by 13 inch baking pan that has been sprayed with non-stick cooking spray. We butter it if you can. Let's just put it right here. This pot looks so heavy one.
We'll sleep for a while.
And I'm just gonna scrape this pot together. Look at all that.
Lauren, your microphone.
I forgot I was trying to not spring without you being here. Or without us trying to get you here.
And there we go.
I want to come back.
Spread that together.
Yeah, I was talking like we're dying to go back. That's great.
I'm gonna sprinkle the remaining 1 cup of shredded sharp cheddar cheese.
We see you.
Oh, you see me, guys. This is one good. There's gonna be lots of cheese on top of that.
I started like going and getting my ingredients for a salad, but then I got distracted.
What kind of salad are you gonna make?
I love making Israeli salad. It just has cucumbers, green pepper, and cherry tomatoes in it.
So I'm gonna put remaining for the fresh mozzarella cheese, and then I like to arrange that because it's gonna be evenly flat.
Yummy, 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 yummy.
I cut my hair my own, guys. I'm not proud of myself.
Cut
I
your
really like
hair.
it. This is my favorite haircut of yours, and I've seen many over the years.
Yeah, real quick. And then finally sprinkle some 3 tablespoons of rosemary. You can also use fresh thyme, fresh basil, even Italian seasoning if you can. Let's just sprinkle it right on top.
Just remember, Katya. Do you remember we?
Oh man, I forgot that one. A 1/4 cup of Italian style breadcrumbs.
We went in the car, me, Ida, you, and drove to Long Island.
Yes, we did.
And
Last
then,
year. Well,
Alright, let's pop this in the oven for 20 minutes. 400 degrees. After it's about 20 minutes in the oven for 400 degrees, as you make sure you can see the rosemary, the breadcrumbs and mozzarella on their cut. Look how that goosey was. I can smell that the rosemaries and the other thymes, which is, if you can't, you prefer the basils and thymes. And I'm quite sure you can evenly prefer, it is going to be great. So, that's for the Zoom video meeting. But, sparkling guys, but I hope you enjoy for the Ched-Moz Macaroni Cheese. Oh, hey Raya, what do you think about the macaroni cheese?
Oh, I haven't gotten to try it yet, but I think it looks beautiful. Thank you for such a wonderful class.
Oh yeah, I just done real quick.
Have you eaten yours yet?
Yeah, I did. Sorry to be late. Because I'm already done already.
You're already done?
Yeah. So, what do you think? So, you like the cheddar and mozzarella macaroni cheese?
Yeah, it's super delicious.
So, how's the rosemary taste like? The rosemary.
Oh, I just tried the macaroni and cheese mixture before we baked it. I haven't tried it baked yet. I'm really excited, but that's when I added the rosemary to the top after the breadcrumbs. So we'll have to see
how
it tastes. I'll know in a little bit after nightfall.
Is that after nightfall?
Yeah, so Anna, do you know the leader Anna?
Oh, Anna, I remember that.
Yeah, he celebrates Ramadan, and we usually eat dinner together, so I'm going to hold off on the mac and cheese until then.
Sounds great. So, I'm going to post the video just for you, and then I'll send on your Gmail message, alright?
Okay, great.
So,
that sounds. What video of the cooking class?
Yes. I'm gonna post it on my YouTube posts every day and night.
Nice, cool.
Alright, so that'd be great, Raya. So you hope you enjoy for macaroni and cheese for dinner.
Thank you, Kyle.
You're welcome.
Oh, Kyle.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let's talk. Let's talk tomorrow.
Alright,
okay?
tomorrow. Alright. See you tomorrow, Raya.
Touch base tomorrow. Bye, Kyle.
Okay, bye. Alright, so thank you so much for watching, and then give it a big thumbs up if you want, and don't forget to subscribe me on my YouTube channel, alright? Thank you and have a nice day.